Good morning, good morning. Hopefully this works this time. I hope so, because it didn't work the last couple times. Um, but anyways, some unboxings for you guys. I bought 3 Hot Wheels today at work. This is a Nissan, what's it say? Nissan Skyline GTR R34. Oh well. Yeah. And the unboxing, the moment we have all been waiting for. Can't get it out. That's what she said. Yeah, anyways. There is the Nissan Skyline GTR. Oh, sorry guys, I had a long night at work, but I got the next 3 nights off, so. This is this 1970 Chevy Chevelle, which I believe, I don't know, I'm not quite sure, but the Starsky and Hutch car that they used in Starsky and Hutch, I don't know if it was a Chevelle or a Gran Torino, and I'm actually not quite sure what the year it was, what model year. Yeah, that's the 70 Chevelle and the unboxing. Oh. It says Summit Racing Equipment on the front of it. That's it, and it looks pretty flashy. Last and certainly not least, the 1974 Brazilian Dodge Charger. Another flashy piece of machinery. Dodge Charger is probably the holy grail, one of the holy grails of all car models. In fact, a buddy of mine owns the General Lee. He takes me to the beach every year. Look at that. Mopar and Wildwood, I think it's called. Wildwood, New Jersey, if anybody's familiar with that. But anyways, I'm not gonna keep you guys bored too long, so till next time, see you next time.